Let's look at the enhanced power dimension and automatic chamfer tools. These updates improve accuracy and save you time. The updated interface now includes linear, angular, radial, and chamfer dimensions. Here, we select a linear line to show improved associativity. The dimension links to the object, adapting to changes quickly and accurately. Now, let's explore the automatic chamfer tool. Select the chamfer line and its adjacent lines. Dimensions are created instantly. Even for non-XY plane chamfers, dimensions align accurately to the geometry. Introducing improved welding dialog in BricsCAD Mechanical. Here, we have two pipe sections that need to be joined with a V-butt weld. We first select the edges to the weld and open the welding dialog. Let's see how the new welding dialog makes this process seamless. The interface is now more user-friendly and adheres to 4 global welding standards. The new dialog simplifies this process by combining all key settings into one coherent interface. With improved welding dialog, BricsCAD Mechanical makes welding design faster, more intuitive, and fully compliant with global standards. Meet Zoom and Highlight. Locate parts faster in large drawings. Select your part list, highlight a part, and use the Zoom and Highlight command to instantly locate it. Move to the next part with the Next option. Find repeated instances of the part with Instance. Easily return to the part list for quick navigation on specific parts. Use the standalone Highlight command to simply highlight, saving you time in large designs.